Dear traders, welcome to MST School of Trading. Hope you all enjoying our free calls in our MST School of Trading group, Telegram group. And if you wish to subscribe to our indicator, you are free to contact us on this given number. See here, we have given the numbers 9500009154. So now I'm going to start the trade for the day. So that what I have to do, I will go here and I will give reset settings. Okay. So I show you here, I will take the brush button. So I will select here, that is reset settings. Okay, then I will give reset settings. Okay, now market has yesterday we have got buy entry in the late night around 9 o'clock and all the first target has been hit. Now secondly, today I am running the market has just opened, gap down. It was our yesterday second sell entry. Yes. Now, immediately once the market has opened, we got our 4 lines. One is buy entry, another one is sell entry. So, what is the sell entry? This one is the first sell and this one is the first buy. And this one will be the SL for the first buy and this one is the SL for the first sell. If SL hit, then we will be buying at 9476. If SL hit in the first buy, we will be selling at 9304. Okay, so this is the very small method that we are going to follow. See here, by default it will be having small stop loss and small target. So if you want, you can keep the default settings and you can trade. If you want to reduce your loss, then you can keep tiny SL and tiny targets. It is up to you. So tiny SL means the profit and loss will be, the range will be very small. If it is small means the 42 points will be there. If it is tiny, the 50% of the 42, that is 21 to 22 points will be there. Now, whichever side gets activated, that side only we have to trade. Other side we have to ignore. So now I am ready with the pending order, that is 9433 sell entry. I am ready with the sell entry. Also I am ready with the buy entry at 9346. So whichever is going to come first, that side only I will trade. Other side I will ignore. Don't forget, other side we have to ignore. Now what is the high made? Now the high made is 9436 and our entry 9433. So exactly sell entry got activated. Now what we have to do, come to the settings. Where is the settings? I show you the settings also, because many of you don't know where is the setting. This is the settings, indicator settings. Okay, there is an engine box. So there we have to click. After clicking here, so you will be getting various settings here in the indicator. So now come here and select this portion, that is first buy entry and first buy targets. This is first sell and first sell entry. So now which side got activated? Sell only got activated. So now what we have to do, we have to enable first sell targets and second buy targets. Why second buy targets? Because I don't know whether I will get the target or not for sure, right? I am following the indicator blindly. So my stop loss would be 9454. If SL hit, I will buy at 9454 for the target of 9476. That's all. Okay. So now since sell activated, I am waiting for the target of 9412. So now I am running the market. Immediately we have got one R3 confirmation. What is R3? Once you join our lifetime course, then you can get the R3 for free, R3C for free. So immediately first target hit and it is nearing to our second target also. So the second target was 9391 and the low made 9395. Okay, that's all. Our trading got over. Yeah, second target also hit. Second target was 9391, it is hit, and low made 9382. So 51 points we have got profit so far in a single lot. See, perfectly it is getting reversed after it met with our sell entry. So I have shown with the 10 minutes time frame. Same thing if we keep for 15 minutes, same thing you will get. Okay, Don't think that you are not a premium member of TradingView. You don't have to take any premium subscription in TradingView. You can use the free also. So for better understanding, I am keeping 10 minutes or 5 minutes also. You can keep 1 minute also. You can keep. It is up to you. So hope it is clear. So our targets have been hit exactly. Our trading also got over. Thank you all for watching us. And one more thing I wanted to explain you. Suppose say this indicator is not with you and you are newly have subscribed. Now how to add the indicator? Come here and press this button. Click on this plus button. After that you will get list of settings. Okay. Now you click on indicators. After clicking here, you will get various option. Now you click on invite only option. So after this, come here. Here our indicator will be available. MSTI ICO 2.0 Premium IIT by the IIT School of Technology. So now whichever you have subscribed, that you have to add to your chart. How to add? Just give double click on this indicator. That's all. Okay. It is very simple. So now I will go once again here. I will select the indicator and I will give one click. Automatically my indicator got added to here. Come here and I give default settings. Okay, default settings. So perfectly cell got activated and it is coming down. So hope it is clear. Thank you all for watching our video. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Also please share our YouTube channel link to all your friends, all your trading friends, so that they will get a systematic plan to execute in the market without any fear. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.